The ASC2ESCALATE, and this is a trial in progress presentation, is a study that's ongoing, it's still recruiting, and it's asking the question, studying Asciminib. Of course, Asciminib has been approved for patients that have received 2 or more tyrosine kinase inhibitors, and at least in the US, also for patients with a T359. That approval has not happened in other parts of the world, but it does have activity. The question here is, can you do it as a second-line therapy? And that's important because, particularly for patients who have received as frontline therapy a second-generation TKI, we don't really have a good treatment option. Of course, you can rotate another second-generation TKI. So this study is looking at that use of Asciminib as second-line therapy, but also asking the important question. You can start with a standard dose, which is 80 milligrams daily, or 40 milligrams twice daily. In the US, 80 milligrams once daily is approved. But if the patients don't respond to that dose, can you escalate to 200 milligrams, which is in T359, we use 200 milligrams twice daily. And in the Phase I study, we did not identify a maximum tolerated dose. We know that that dose is well tolerated. So if the patients are not responding well, can you escalate and still then obtain a good response? So 2 important questions: the issue of second-line use of Asciminib and the use of higher doses of Asciminib in patients that do not have the T359, whether that could potentially add value to the use of Asciminib.